What's up, guys? It's Mark from Erickson Machine, and we got a cool porting tool video today. We're going to be showing off some Foredom equipment with Foredom's porting kit. So I'm going to be showing you everything that's included in the kit and different options you can get with it, stuff like that. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so welcome back to the channel. I want to thank everybody for coming back. It's greatly appreciated. I also want to thank everybody that went to ericksonmnp.com and bought merch. It really helps the channel. I greatly appreciate it. So let's get started with the video and let me show you Foredom's porting kit. Alrighty, so here is the porting kit. So now this porting kit we ordered for a customer. They are in the UK, so this is the UK version. So it looks slightly different. The sticker on the SR motor is different because obviously it's the 230 version and obviously it's got the 230 plug, but everything else in the kit would be the same that you would get here. So also I want to take a second and thank everybody that has come to the YouTube channel, everybody that's subscribed, liked, watched our videos, stuff like that. I'm super grateful for you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys and the YouTube channel, I wouldn't be able to work with a company as cool as Foredom, and I am super impressed with them as a company. So I've been dealing with them now probably 6 months or so since they first contacted me, and when they contacted me, they came down and they wanted to get ideas on how to make their products better, and they've made stuff to make it better already that I've been testing, which is the other great thing. Not only did they listen to my ideas, they have quickly made things for me to test that they're looking to put into production in the future, which if you're dealing with a company that's making products for you, that's really all you can ask for. And meeting everybody there, like the head engineer, it's cool to see how into their products they are. Like they want to make better products that people like. They want to make them last longer, which is rare nowadays. So it's cool to deal with the company as cool as that. So let's open the kit and show you what you get. So this is their SR porting kit. So it comes with the motor, foot control, handpiece, a burr stand, and then a burr selection. What you get when you open the box. So we open the box, and here we go. So we have the burr stand, which I have a whole bunch of. So, and if you look here, hold on one sec. You can see what they look like. There's two different style. I think there's more than two, but I used two of their different burr stands. I'll put a link down below to both of them if you guys are interested in them. So this burr stand is what comes in the kit, and it's nice because it's kind of got a cup in the middle to hold different tools. The other one just has burrs in the center. This one only had, this one's 3/16 and 1/8, I believe. This one's 1/8 and 1/4 inch. So that's really the main difference on them, and then 1/4 inch on the top. But that shows you the differences on the two burr stands that they offer. So you have the burr stand that comes with it, which is really neat because it's on ball bearings. You have their adjustable foot pedal. Let's take this all out. You get the 44T handpiece, shaft lube, the SR reversible motor, which this is the SR motor that is for 220, which is why the color is different. And then underneath, we have the burr assortment. Give me 1 second, let me set this down, and I will show you the stuff that comes with it. So, and here is the burr assortment, which it tells you on the outside everything that's included. The cool thing with this is when they were putting this kit together, I was talking to them and telling them basic burrs and cartridge rolls that you would use when you're starting out. Obviously, you need more than this as you grow, but this is a really, really good starter set for starting out and getting an idea on what's going to work for you. The interesting thing with porting is it's kind of like art. Everybody has their own way of doing it. You know, in art, some people like certain brushes. Porting, same thing. People like all kinds of different burrs. They like different cartridge rolls, stuff like that. There's really not a right or a wrong answer. It depends on what you like. But this set gives you everything you need to start out and then find out what you want. The other nice thing is they're all American-made, American-cut burrs, and all American-made tooling. So all very high-quality stuff that comes in this kit. So you can see it's nicely organized. It tells you the different cartridge rolls. So you get 5 straight 60 grit, 5 straight 80 grit, 5 straight 120, tapered 60, tapered 80, tapered 120, and then up here 60, 80, 120 tapered, 60, 80, 120 straight. So you have a very nice assortment of all the different sizes. The other nice thing that they give you in this kit is they give you 3 different mandrels. So you have, let me see what 6, 4, and 2. So, and as you can see here, it shows you everything included. So, but as you can see, 6, 4, and 2-inch mandrels for the sanding rolls. And then they give you 4 burrs. So there is a straight. Oh, no, sorry. So we got a double cut oval, which is this. Then there's the double cut round, which a lot of people will call a lollipop. Like that. There's a 6-inch round lollipop, and then another double cut 6-inch oval. So all of these burrs, as I said, focus. There we go. So very high quality burrs, really good starter set for getting started, and then from there you can kind of figure out on what you need. So the other cool thing is Foredom's coming out with a right angle tool. We happen to be testing one at the moment. Let me go over to the porting bench and I'll show you. Hold on one sec. All right, so back at the porting bench. So as you can see, here's the SR, here's the TX. This is one of the pieces that I am testing that we have that has worked awesome, that I said it's something I wanted. And then here is the new Foredom right angle handpiece. This is a prototype. When it is done, you know, there will be more grooving on the body. This design might change. So, but the basic shape is the same. So, but it shows you what they're making. I've been really impressed. And we've been putting this thing through its paces to make sure that it's going to last you guys. So let's go back over to the porting bench. Well, here, hold on one second. So just so you know, when you're buying this stuff, there's a couple different handpieces. So it comes with this handpiece, which is the 44T handpiece. They also have the 28 handpiece, which is the smaller version of this. So this is basically for 1/8 inch burrs. This is for 1/4 and 1/8 inch. So the nice thing is the kit comes with this handpiece, and it comes with both collets, so you can use both large and small burrs with it, and then you can buy handpieces as you want. As I've said in other videos, I prefer not to change burrs. I would prefer, when there is a, oops, sorry, hit the pedal. If there's a burr I like to use, I basically buy a handpiece for it, and then that burr is married to the handpiece. If the burr wears out or bends or something bad happens to it, I replace it with the same one. If there's a different burr that I want to try, you know, I might swap it onto something and do a test with it. If I end up liking it, I then buy a handpiece And that's why you can see I have a lot of hand pieces. So it's not the most cost-effective way of doing it, but time is money. And if you're changing burrs constantly, it's a big waste of time. You know, I save, probably a half an hour on each cylinder just by having them in their hand pieces. And when you port a lot of cylinders a week, it adds up. So not telling you to do it that way, but it has become way more efficient to me. Same thing, for my right angle tooling, I have multiples. So with all different heads, different designs to get into tighter areas. So having them all set up differently makes the job go quicker. So let's go back over to the bench, show you the rest. All right, so we're back over here. So you saw the motor. This is the porting kit. The nice thing is it is a really nice starter set to give you basically everything you need to start porting cylinders and figuring out what you need from there. So it comes with the 44T handpiece. As I said, you can buy extra of these, but this is a great starter kit. If you guys need them, go over to Foredom's webpage. There'll be links down below to the porting homepage that they have, and there'll be a coupon code below if you guys want to get a 10% off discount on them. And that helps the channel as well because it's an affiliate link, so it'd be greatly appreciated. Another thing I wanted to bring up on this that has been brought to our attention is I've had a bunch of people asking if we would be interested in putting on a porting seminar, I guess you would call it, or a teach porting class. And I've talked to Foredom about it. It's something they are open to as well. And I want to see what people think about that. So if you guys would be interested in a porting class, if you could email us at ericksonmap.com and just tell us, if you would be interested in something like that. So there's two ways we could do the class. We could just do a porting class where we teach you the basics in porting, or we can also do a porting class that includes a complete Foredom porting kit, so you can practice on the exact tool and then bring it home with you at the end. So when we were at PRI, I had a bunch of people bring it up to me to see if it would be something I would be interested in. And I've had other customers ask me if I would be open to teaching them. So it would probably be a class of 5 to 10 people. But I don't know what the want or need in that would be and how many people would be interested in going. So if you would be interested, you can also comment down below, but email us and we will start getting a list together and decide if that is something possible. All right, guys, as always, greatly appreciate you coming back to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.